Hi, welcome back. We are at the last outline of Section 3, Research Data, in Chapter 6, Execution of the Research Project. In this outline, we're going to have a quick discussion on some guidelines when it comes to your data management. First of all, it is important to create data management plan to organize and to store your data. You can't just scatter your data around and you don't have a direct plan management to organize, to structure the data in a certain format. Next thing, maybe you will need to transcribe your interviews and to perform data entry for observation. If that is the case, you must have a systematical approach to do so. Be careful if you have an assistant to do so. This is a very important case to make sure that the assistant understands the scale of sensitivity of any transcribing. If things goes wrong, the entire research data could be then compromised. Then maybe you should have a safeguard for any sensitive data. Also, maybe you need to make sure it's backed up regularly. So in case of any emergency, you don't lose the data. And keep your data well organized, save time when it comes to analyze it. This is a real fact. If your data is not organized, that doesn't have a specific structure, you will have a terrible time to analyze. If not, even you will have a terrible time to come up with the right answers. That will also compromise the quality of your research. Finally, it can also help others if your data is organized and well managed and there is a management plan for your data. That was the end of section 3, and we are ready now to discuss the last section of chapter 6, and that is writing a formal research. I will see you then.